In this video, I'll show you how to install iOS 26 Developer Beta on your iPhone. The first step is to open Safari browser and visit developer.apple.com. At the top left hand corner, click on Menu, click on Account, create your free Apple developer account. Once you do so, go to Settings, General, Software Update, iOS Updates. Select iOS 26 Developer Beta. Now come back. Here you will see an iOS 26 Developer Beta. Click on Update. Click on Update Now and Install Now. Now this will install iOS 26 Developer Beta on your iPhone. That's it about this video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.